daffodils. A daffodil. Sounds like a dinosaur, doesn't it? A Tyrannosaurus Rex. A daffodil. Huh.
We're on the beautiful island of Jersey. Why don't you come with us on this virtual walk with fantastic views on our return journey to Plemont?
Ew, muddy bit, Paddy. Straight through it. That's not good. There's your stream. Oh yeah, look. There's a little man-made structure there. Presumably used to keep the water. For what? Oh, the field's just behind us to the right. Maybe they used it for irrigation. Come on. Oh, this is definitely the way to do it. From Grosnez to Plemont. It's more beautiful than from Plemont to Grosnez. Where are you going, Paddy? I mean, Plemont, I don't know, is it the most beautiful beach on Jersey or is Beauport? It's a toss-up. They're both absolutely stunning. I mean, that is gorgeous. So, bit wet and slippy. Gorse and daffodils. Paddy. Honey, don't eat the grass. Some of these benches look like they're on their last legs. Oh, look at these. We have daffodils all over the place. Around here. There's going to be a lot more as well. I mean, that's pretty, isn't it? Gorgeous. That rock looks like something as well. The last time I did a video I could see a king praying. Well, there, look, there's a dog. Dog's head. Certainly looks like it from here. Maybe not on camera. Wow, there are lots of daffodils. I mean, that's got to be a tourism shot, isn't it? Come to beautiful Jersey, unspoilt island in the sun. Would have been alright if I hadn't messed up the unspoilt bit. Oh, hey! Slippery. Very slippery. Double slip there. And this bit looks a bit wet. Come on, Paddy. One thing's for sure, you don't want to slip off to the left. That could be sayonara. Or Jotao. Cantonese. Oh yeah, let's have a look. I mean, let's keep going, Pads. I know we've got a steep hill to climb up at the end. A few more ups and downs before then. Oh, I can see the car park. So it's a lot shorter than I thought, this walk. There's the car park over there, and a devilish looking stairway up towards it, which must have hundreds of steps. We'll go up that this time. On the outward journey we walk down the road, but we'll walk up the steps. Look at that! Wow! I mean, that would be some ski jump, wouldn't it? Go skiing down there, hit the end, sail out onto the beach. It almost looks possible, but I don't think I'd try it. Oop. Yeah, bench with the best view on the island, maybe. Right, the gorse was encroaching on the path a bit there, but now we're nice and open. Oh, that was muddy. Right, let's try and clean that off in the grass. These trainers definitely need a wash. Wow. When we walked out, there was a couple of lads surfing, and you can see why. There's a decent wave. Right, it may be an own goal to go up the steps. Ah, there's more steps there. Ah, those are the ones we're going to take. Because to go up those steps, you have to head all the way down the road. Which is like a river. I've got those. Which are close to where the path comes out onto the road. Perfect. That's what we're going to do. Paddy, stop eating grass now, mate. Paddy, don't be doing that. Come on. Oh. Right. Morning. Lovely, isn't it? Right, Paddy. We're going over the river. This road. Wow. Right. Up the steps. I have to say that's a thoroughly enjoyable little walk, that one. I've said that before we get to the top here. This might make me change my mind. Woo! These are big steps. Ah. Yeah. Great. Come on, Paddy. Up here. Yeah. Woohoo! We made it. It says Plemont Beach, or to Plemont Beach. And there you go. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, it's Tom from the Reluctant Outdoorsman channel. Just a quick message to say many thanks to all of you who have subscribed, who give my videos thumbs up, and who leave comments. All of that helps my channel immensely. If you haven't already done so and fancy subscribing, please hit the icon button on the right. It's free. Hope to see you all again soon.